NDA might have, at the central level, might have a lot to say, a lot to boast about, for what probably they have probably reasons to boast about. But as far as Andhra is concerned, Chandrababu's regime is concerned, there is nothing to boast about. Every promise that has been mentioned in his own manifesto is proven to be a lie. And for someone who's not rendered a single promise fulfilled out of the Super 6 or Super 7 that he's promised himself, and everything that has been promised is proven to be a lie, and where the plight of farmers, the plight of youngsters, the plight of every person living in poverty is at a abysmal low. The farmers are pissed off because they're not getting remunerative prices. The free insurance policy, which was in existence during our regime, has been removed. The timely input subsidy, which was coming before the end of the season, was also scrapped. And the production support, which was coming in through Raitu Bharosa in our regime, has also come to a halt. And the RBKs, which were very much running during our regime at the village level, hand-holding the farmer at every stage, has become dysfunctional. Similarly, the students are not getting fees reimbursement. Every quarter what the fees reimbursement was given during our regime, and now since January, that is Jan, Feb, March, which was supposed to have been given in April, and since then the election code has come in, and since that day till this day, this June, if it were to come, it will be 6 quarters. And every quarter where the fees reimbursement was given then, now it has been 6 quarters where the fees reimbursement dues are still pending. Where exactly are people happy? Everything is proven to be a false promise, everything is proven to be a broken promise, and the entire system is collapsed, where you have rampant corruption which is prevalent in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and a red book rule which is intolerance towards the ruling party or to anybody who raises their voice against the government, which is also prevalent in the state of Andhra Pradesh.